Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by booting directly to the recovery environment so you can run repair utilities. Once your PC shows advanced options, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. Make sure you sign in with an administrator account. This grants permission to modify system files. Now that the command window is open, note the drive letter for your Windows installation. It may be D instead of C. With the prompt ready, you can run the first repair commands to check files and boot records. Start with disk integrity. Run chkdsk with the /F and /R flags against the Windows volume to fix bad sectors and file table issues. Once done, run the offline system file checker specifying offbootdir and offwindir so corrupted system files are repaired. Next, repair the boot environment using bootrec. First /fixember, then /fixboot to write a new boot sector, and finally /rebuild to detect and add Windows installations. These steps address common startup failures. After repairs, close the prompt and restart your machine to test normal boot. If Windows still fails, run startup repair from the same advanced options to automate fixes you may have missed. You can also use DISM or a system restore point to revert problematic driver or registry changes. Use commands that target the offline Windows folder. If you remain stuck, record any error codes shown. They guide next steps. As a fallback, use recovery media to repair or perform a clean reinstall only after backing up data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.